Hi, I'm Nikhil and welcome to new video review from technery.com. So do you like Bluetooth earphones? You might have also used earbuds for your usage, but earbuds fall off oftenly while running. So there's an option for it. So we are having a Bluetooth earphones for you. So today we are having Rager A-Beats 250. So I can't wait to do the unboxing of it. And it's really important to have a Bluetooth earphones for you. So while running, it will not fall off. So it will stick on your neck, which is really important because I have lost one of my earbuds. So I know that kind of loss. So there's an option for it. Though nowadays the latest and new earbuds are coming with good air compatibility as well, but we'll talk about the Bluetooth earphones which are really very much budget friendly as well. So can't wait to unbox it. So these are the Rager A-Beats 250. So let's start the unboxing. So a very compact packaging by Rager. So there are a lot of details mentioned on the package. So it is having a lot of stuff inside. There are a lot of accessories as well. And we'll talk about each accessories in detail and in depth. So we have used it extensively for a few days and we will also share our experience and our opinion about these earphones. So inside the box, let's check out what all you get inside. So these are IP Expo waterproof. There's also interior nano coating technology which helps to protect the earphones from rain. So as we can see on the side, there are a lot of details mentioned about the product. So this device can be a very much useful for you. So while traveling or even while working, it can be of great help to you. So let's start opening the packaging. So it comes with a lot of warranty and stuff. We'll talk about it in detail. So we are opening the box right now. So inside the box, you will get a premium carry case. Yeah, we did like this premium carry case, and you can keep the earphones inside. So in this way you can open it. It is having a zip lock, so you can see all the other accessories with it. So with these earphones you also get a USB cable. So this is a micro USB charging cable. These are two pairs of extra cushions. So these are the earphones itself. So we like the carry case and it is very much travel friendly, so we keep in our backpack for short travels as well. So this is the volume knob. There are a lot of stuff inside. It has a well thought design. It has rugged and metallic exterior body. These look very much beautiful and stylish. So in this way you can switch it on. So these are IP-Expo waterproof as well. So we have extensively used these earphones for several days and we have used it while walking, traveling, etc. So best part of these earphones that unlike earbuds you feel safe using them. So there are a lot of controls as well, so you can check out our article on our website about how to use these controls. So these are sweat proof and splash proof and comes with IPX4 rating as mentioned. So the bass quality was amazing and the noise cancellation is pretty good. These can withstand sweat and light drizzles as well. Good for calling. So it has a good microphone. Oh my god, the sound quality is just amazing. So I have been listening to a lot of songs and a lot of music since a long time and the music quality is superb. So it has a deep bass and it has clear vocals for sure. So these Rager A-Beats 250 Bluetooth earphones which can be actually with you for a long time. So it is having a battery hour of 6 hours. So battery capacity is around 6 hours and it's really easy to use, and basically you can pair up with your smartphone and you can also pair up with your laptop as well, and it's easy to carry. And the main thing which I liked is the carry case, which is really very much premium. At the price at which it is offered is really amazing. So it is having an MRP of rupees 1999, though you will get amazing discount if you check out the link in the description below. I guess you will get at just 1199 rupees only. So these are very much value for money earphones. So if you want to purchase it, do check out the link in the description below. More surprised videos for you, more surprising videos are there coming up for you. And stay tuned on a channel which is Technary. Do subscribe our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon. If you like this video, do hit the like button as well. Thanks for watching. Have a great day ahead.